students, how are you all? I hope you are good at home. And today's topic is vitamin. But before we start, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this channel to more and more people. Okay, so let's know more about vitamins. What are vitamins? Vitamins are the organic compound which help for the biological functions of the living organism. It is a vital nutrient that should be included in the diet. Okay, vitamins are referred as an organic compound. Organic means made up of carbon and oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen basically. So these are the organic compounds. They are required in very small amount, that's why they are said to be the micronutrients also. They perform vital functions and essential role in the body functions like metabolism, immunity and digestion, and so on much more. And what is exact meaning in the Greek as a vitamin word stand for? Vita is life and amine, that is vita, life amine. Okay, coming to the definition of vitamins. Vitamins are a group of organic compound which are essential for normal growth and nutrition and are required in very small quantities in the diet because they cannot be synthesized by the body. That's why we are taking them from outside food materials. Most people cannot get all the vitamins they need from a healthy diet. That's why there are some deficiency diseases of the vitamins also. Now vitamins are of two types basically, water soluble vitamins and fat soluble vitamins. Now let's learn more and more about them. But water soluble vitamins contains vitamin B group and C, and fat soluble vitamins contains vitamin A, D, E, K. Now these are some water soluble vitamins. Details are given here. I will read for you. A vitamin that can dissolve in water. That can dissolve in water means it is soluble in water, that's why it's a water soluble. The name itself suggests that vitamins are nutrients that the body needs in small amount. Now these water soluble vitamins are carried to the body tissue but are not stored in the body. They are excreted, they are excreted out of the body. That's like sweating, urination, they are excreted out. Although water soluble vitamins have many tasks in the body, one of most important is energy, helping the free energy found in the food you eat. Others help tissue healthy, but water soluble give you the energy. Water soluble vitamins are those and are dissolved in water and readily absorbed into tissue for the immediate use because they are not stored in the body. They need to be replenished regularly in our diet. Any excess of the water soluble vitamin is quickly excreted in the urine and will rarely accumulate to toxic levels. Now as you have your common name, pet names, nicknames, so likewise the vitamins also have vitamin B and C is a water soluble vitamin, and they are having some names, scientific names, like there are 8 types of vitamin B. There is a vitamin B group like thiamine stand, thiamine B1, riboflavin, vitamin B2, niacin, vitamin B3, pentathonic acid, vitamin B5, pyridoxine, vitamin B6, biotin, B7, folate or folic acid, B9, cyanobalamin, B12 and vitamin C, ascorbic acid. So these are some scientific names of these vitamins. Now vitamin B, as you can see, you can watch in this, you can observe properly in this image. You can see these are some of the sources from where we can get the vitamin B enough, like cheese, paneer, nuts, milk, fruits, vegetables, tomatoes, meat, flesh, some seafood as well. They are the good source of vitamin B. All the B2, all the B group of the vitamin, they can be easily seen. Soya beans, spinach, milk, some nuts. Okay, these are some good source of vitamin B. Shells. And vitamin C is also known as the ascorbic acid, necessary for the growth and development and repairment of all the body tissue. Correct? It forms the formation of collagen, absorption of iron and the proper functioning of immune system, wound healing and a maintenance for the cartilage, bones and teeth. These are important functions of vitamin C. These are the good sources of the vitamin C. All the citrus food, they are the good and they are full of vitamin C. You can see here, these are the good source of vitamin C. Fibers are the dietary fiber in the cereal, fruits and vegetables, and fibers are made up of digestible part of the compounds of the plants, and fiber is mainly a carbohydrate. The main function it plays in the digestion. Okay, so you can read this paragraph here and find out these are the good sources of fibrous food. Next is the fat soluble vitamin. The fat soluble vitamins are absorbed along with the fat in the diet and are stored in the body, fatty tissues and in the liver. They are found in many plants, animals food. Some of the fat soluble vitamins are A, D, E and K and are fat soluble obviously. Now vitamin D, actually the scientific name is calciferol. Vitamin E, it's a tocopherol. Vitamin K, phytoanidine. Vitamin E, it's retinol. Okay, again you can see here the good sources of vitamin A, D, E and K. These are all the good sources of vitamins in your diet. You can have them in the food and get rid of all the deficiency diseases. I hope you got this chapter very easily. This vitamin point is very easily. Basically we learn about the two types of vitamin, fat soluble and water soluble. The vitamins which are soluble in the water are water soluble vitamin A, vitamin B and vitamin C. In that B group is totally water soluble, and the fat soluble vitamins are A, D, E and K. So here I end up with this chapter. You can for more about the deficiency diseases of all these vitamin, you can go to the Ekta Science Education and also check the description box where you will get the link of the deficiency disease caused by the lack of these vitamins is mentioned there. The link is given there, you can check there, and I hope you understood this chapter. Thank you so much student. Goodbye.